Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am back. The glue gun is on so we can really quickly make a couple of these items that I wanted to make with the glue gun. And we're going to start with this paper clip, and I'm just going to go ahead and use a silver paper clip out of my stash. I'm going to go ahead and use some of the book paper, plain piece of book paper, to go ahead and cut out a circle using my 1-inch circle punch. And this is like so easy. We're going to go ahead and add some glue, hot glue, to the back of this flower. Okay, so I'm doing quite a little puddle. And I'm going to put my paper clip in the wider side up and press this down. So I have a paper clip made out of one of our wet circle flowers. Okay, so we're just going to turn that upside down, let it dry. Then the other one that I wanted to make, and I made one, and I used one of the rectangles from the bulb magazine that I had cut out. And when I put this together, I left just a little pocket. Yeah, you can see that little pocket, just for something different up at the top. But I made one of the flat paper clips out of that. And so I had you go ahead and cut out a couple of pieces of plain paper from your book. My book is sturdy. It's like really, really awesome paper. I still can't believe how much of my book is left, even with all these things that we've made. I still have so much book paper left in this book. And so, you know, I don't normally do this many embellishments in my books, probably, of the actual, but I wanted you to have a good selection of things to be able to make. So, that's why we have so many in this book. It can be, if you followed along and made everything and you have your book, you can just flip through and go, oh yeah, I could make that. Oh yeah, I could do that. I could do that. I could do that. You have a book of a resource. This actually could be a resource, a really fun resource book. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken my paper clip. I've put it, I like to put it with the smaller piece of the paper clip that I'm going to use. I'm going to leave a little bit out here because I still have those beads to attach to things, and they might get attached to these paper clips just because they'll be on the outside here. Okay, so I'm going to go and I'm going to add some glue from the glue gun. And yeah, I had it on for a while. Got doing other things. Now I'm going to go ahead and go around. Oh, I forgot to leave a pocket. Oh, we'll just switch it and have it go this way. Okay. The reason I only left half a pocket was I didn't want it to have to negotiate around the paper clip. Okay, so you see the opening is just this area here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And hold it down. Okay. And be careful, anytime you're using the hot glue with the paper clip, be careful because your paper clip will get quite warm. It will. it will probably get quite warm. Okay, so that is how I made this. And then you can come back in, and what I did is I decorated a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and use this piece of pink. Just add some glue to it. This is from when we fussy cut the round things off the, I'm calling them the fashion note pages. Okay, and so you know, everything that I've used in this book is a part of the Spring Blossom Kit. Everything except for the book and the book pages and some of the paper clips and the copy paper. So then I also still have a little bit of the washi tape. So we'll go ahead and add a little bit of the washi tape. Okay, so these will be ready to add to our book. This will be ready to add. And so we'll just want to go and find a place for it. And so that was a really quick tutorial on flat paper clips with a little pocket. Oh, the one other thing I did do was I did go in with my 1-inch punch, and I cut just a sliver off the top of the magazine part, so that you could tell that it was a little pocket. And so some little tiny thing can go and fit in there. And it kind of can be a secret pocket, kind of. So there you go. 2 flat pockets. These are actually, we're going to use those to hold some things in here. And we've turned one of our flowers into a paper clip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're having a good time with this batch of tutorials, please comment down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day. Bye.